Hey guys, how to do it? Welcome to Rub my channel. Yeah. So today, as you can see, okay. Anyway, this is cakes and these are brownies. We made brownies, but as you can see what this is. We had more brownies obviously, and we crushed them up because my sister wants to make them cake pops. That just got stuck in my finger. Why did you get them? And by the way, I can't pause this, so like. But even though my sister not allowed to get them, okay. Even though I wouldn't really get them, okay. Anyway, guys, okay, what we're gonna do with this? I'm not gonna sit down with them and make a video. Guys, so these are the brownies. I'm trying to find. I can't.
But why can't you?
Because I'm bringing it straight from YouTube. Just do it.
But that's so.
No, it isn't no. Well, why just do it? Okay, well, I'm gonna wait then. You're making my fans wait.
I want to see fans.
I have no.
Why you did it?
Will you squish and mix in some?
I don't think come out of those as well. Like some of them.
No, you're not gonna.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Will they have icing on top?
Doesn't matter.
Yeah, please. Oh my god.
Take it off.
Anyway. Oh guys, so I tried uploading the videos that I haven't uploaded in quite some time. I actually made like the omelette videos, hopefully they're uploaded. Like, and those like a few days ago, and I couldn't really upload them because my videos are like on every single phone, and like, you know, Lorraine just keeps watching and I'm like, oh my god, this is so famous. But yeah, on the game I want to actually upload that, and Lorraine made that as well, but obviously I was there, so I helped her. Anyway, then you do this. Crush what? Just get like a crusher thingy, because we have everything in this house.
Just use your hands.
So we're gonna use the hands, and as soon as it's sticking, and put lotion. I put lotion on, by the way. It's okay, lotion can go in our food. And I can't see any chocolate chips. Did you even pour any? How much did you pour?
Yeah, but obviously they're melted now.
No point of doing that then. Guys, so we're gonna be okay, I think I just saw. Well, I think that's a chocolate chip. I mean, it's kind of hard.
That's not a chocolate
I'll
chip.
test it.
The chocolate chip is the melted bits.
Like that?
Does that look melted?
Yeah. Oh guys, okay, now I found another hot thing. I'm guessing this is just a burn beef that Lorraine doesn't know how to make.
Not burn.
Anyway guys, we always make brownies, but like, I remember me and my other sister, we made brownies. She's older than me. Well, I'm the youngest sister anyway. And look how I'm cooking. Now I'm human. But then yeah, we made brownies, and we could see it in the oven, like it went like really up from the middle thing, and from the side it was like, we knew it was getting burnt, and from the middle it had to be, it was from the middle it had to get baked, and we were like, what does it think it's doing? But then we took it out, and as soon as we took it out, it all deflated, so it basically went all inside, and we were like, okay. And me and Jerry were her name is Jerry, by the way, just said it, but okay. By the way, what are you doing? I'll just speak and you can do that. By the way, me and Jerry, we really love brownies anyway, and I think we've made them only once in our life. Well, she made them twice, and like whenever she made it, wasn't that nice as well. So yeah, and if you can see a sink, that's really not my fault. They can't read that, then they could. It's fine, they're my family, they need to see what we're doing at house. If you guys want to come to our house, the address is in the description box down below. I'm saying like exactly gonna be there. Anyway, yeah, back to me. So yeah, as I was saying, we took it out and it really went inside, and we were like disgusted, and we like legit we started, and we were like, what the hell is this? Like, we were going to throw in the bin, but after me being dumb, I cut the sides off like always, and we should have made cake pops with that, but it was like really bad and stuff and really hard. So like yeah, we took the sides off, and we really need to hurry up with this video. We're already like 4.5 minutes in like hurry, and the video can go like 10, I don't know, God knows how many minutes. Anyway, yeah, so we did that, and I made in squares and everything, and it was meant to make how much? It was meant to make 12 or something, and ours only made, I think it was 6 or 9. Nothing was 9. And then I was like, okay, but like if you saw it, I legit put in like a bowl of plate, and it like all piled up, and it looked really weird, and it looked like there was like 12 or 13 we made. It really did, and there was a lot of pieces as well, because like most of them were crushed, most of them were gone as well, because I mean obviously I know how to cook brownies, but it was just really hard to take it out the, what it's called, baking tray, and you know, but yeah, because you don't know how to make them. It's maybe because they're too skinny, innit? Guys, look, She just always burns them. Can you blink it right now in the camera? The bomb, please. I can see mine was that bun. Mine was like so clean yesterday. That's why maybe we ate it. And guys,
Okay.
yes, we did. Can stop saying Farsi language that no one knows. And we left some brownies, by the way. But I mean, we have like a brownie recipe. Did you come with that? But then how come with that? Whatever.
Because I left it in for too long.
So you basically burn them. Anyway, yeah, guys. So we basically followed this brownie recipe, and the one that me and Julia did, we didn't follow the same brownie recipe that Lorraine and Nigel followed before. So I hope you guys understand what the hell I'm trying to say. Can you understand? Because I can't. Anyway, we got a random one from internet and we made it. It was nice. I'm not gonna lie. First of all, we were like, ew, but I obviously had it. The top layer was really nice inside. So it's like gacha and you know, like what's it called? What's the word? Raw and stuff, but not that raw. But the next day it was like really nice, and on the recipe the girl had even wrote that the next day and stuff is gonna be really nice. And our brownies always, to be honest though, the next day is always nice, isn't it? So maybe these ones are gonna be nice, but these ones, thing is about this is these are what are they kind of cakey as you can see. Basically, you guys just need to understand. Lorraine doesn't know how to make anything. You just
I do.
right? You only know how to make Asian handia. And you really should as well at this type of age. Anyway, but yeah, the next day we had it, and then it was like really hard. We didn't even we put in the fridge overnight, and then it was proper hard, and we left it out, and then I just put it next to the gas, and it went really soft and really moist and really dense. I'm so understanding the words. Anyway, well, it went really nice basically, and yeah, then we had it, and it was actually tasty, and I had put chocolate chunks or something in them, and I finally got to taste them, and I was like, oh my god, finally nice. And here we had to put chocolate chips, but she's claiming that they melted. Oh my god, chocolate on my nail. Why am I showing this dumb camera? Anyway, well guys, I didn't call you guys dumb, I called the camera dumb. I think that's a chocolate chip. Look, it is.
Can't see.
Yes it is. Why is it hard then? Oh, this is just a burnt stuff then. Anyway, can see there's different shades in the brownie. Look at that. Can see there's different shades in the brownie.
Cool.
God knows what sand we've tapped in here. Anyway, but yeah, they're really nice. But then my mom unfortunately threw it in the bin, and we were like, oh really? Because we hadn't ready for some weird reason at night time. It was in Ramadan, I'm pretty sure. And in it, at night time we were like really, what's in your hand, lipstick or stuff? What have we been wearing? But she doesn't hang herself.
What?
I'm joking, guys. You don't need to file a complaint. You know, I can do that. Anyway, well, she just does this. But yeah, and then like this and that. Guys, comment down below whatever it's called, salons. What curries dishes you guys want us to make, because I mean, I can't make anything in the world. Lorraine can't. She just burnt this up. Shall we just poke this on? Shall we just like make this like a pastry or something and shove some on it? Let's do that, and then we'll cut it and stuff. You know, it's working. Look, it's working.
Yeah, and then you can be eating the best spoons.
I know people do that. Well, should I do a little Q&A, Larib? Anyway, yeah, we are gonna. I don't know who she is. By the way, guys, if you're like watching this video and you're watching my other videos as well, like the I haven't even uploaded the cupcake one. I'll think of. Anyway, for some recipes I know I haven't written in the description box. Some of them I haven't written just because it's already in the video and I can't be bothered. So yeah, you have to deal with it. You can just like, I even say in the video that you can take a print screen of this or screenshot whatever of this right now, because I even have it like that link for you. But I think most of that happens whenever Lorraine makes curries, because she already has in a book. So yeah.
There's a recipe of these as well in my book.
Well, bring it then.
Yeah.
So we just, well, there's not a recipe of this, there's a recipe of brownie. As you can see, guys, how do you like my thing I just made? And if you guys be like, Agas is always die, that sets you off. Even though no one be like that, but okay. We're just gonna take you guys. Do you guys want to see Lorraine's other stuff, recipes? God knows what she's reading in her book. We're just gonna go through it all. So this is for chawal rice. Again, you guys can just take a screenshot. Let me see. Okay, there's 2 pages. Take a screen. You look nail. Take a screenshot of it. Hopefully, you guys can read her writing. And then next one. And you can zoom in, by the way, if you can't see. Next one. Chusa, basically chicken. This only 1 page. And then we have gosh, which is basically meat. I'm kind of doing it quick because we have no time. Okay, so dalia, which is porridge. Serves 1. So you can double or triple whatever you want to do. And then we have chenne, red kidney beans or black-eyed beans. As I said, guys, you can just take a screenshot of me because I'm going too fast. White rice or chawal makes up to 5 to 6 plates. Saag tinned. Did we make a video of saag? I don't think we did. I don't think we made it. Anyway. Chicken and chips fried. What did I say? Boiled. I mean, say I can't read the writing, guys. And then we have chicken, whatever that says. Chicken thigh. Or chicken thigh wraps. If that's what I think it says. English, please. Guys, is this the recipe we followed? Right? Vanilla sponge cakes. Guys, this is what we did to make the cupcakes. So, this is a quarter salt, not 1 teaspoon. Okay, no. Anyway, wait. Hey! Okay, so yeah, I'll just come back to you guys. Guys, so this, if you guys don't know how to make what, it's called ganache, then we can show you. Basically, you put what in? What cream have you? You can use heavy cream, double cream, head cream. You can use cream, basically. Or you can use whipped cream, maybe, innit? So guys, look at that. Can you see that? Look at that. Oh, in here. Oh. Now, then we put, show please, dark cloud. It's a branded one. It's like worth hundreds or something. I think now we order from.
A little bit of milk in
we
there.
order from anywhere. Yeah. Okay, so now we're going to put milk in here. I really don't know what we have shoved in it. Okay, this is sprinkled, so it's fine. And again, like always, we have British milk whole. And yes, we do check the expiry date before we show you guys. And then we'll put chocolate in that. How much milk do you put in here?
A teeny bit.
Okay, well, I'm just not. There.
Bit more. And then mix it up.
So I'm going to mix this and you guys can see what she's doing. Because I really don't have a... Okay, so I think I'm gonna end this video that I'm making right now, and then this is gonna be part 1 of what I'm doing, and then I'm gonna upload another video saying part 2. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe down below, give you a big thumbs up, and comment down below the videos you're going to do. See you later, bye.